In the last video, we followed your request all the way to Google. But then another question appeared. Where exactly did your request go? When we say, your request reached Google's server, where is that server? Is it in space, inside satellites, or hidden somewhere on the internet? The answer is much more fascinating. Your request actually reached a giant building filled with thousands of computers. That building is called a data center. Today, we're going inside one. What is a data center? Whenever you open YouTube, you are requesting information from another computer. Watch Netflix and the same thing happens. Send a WhatsApp message and you are contacting a remote computer. Or ask ChatGPT a question and the same process occurs. That computer isn't sitting in someone's bedroom. It's inside a data center. A data center is a specially designed building that contains thousands or even hundreds of thousands of powerful computers called servers. Think of it as a massive digital library. Except instead of books, it stores websites, videos, photos, emails, apps, and AI models. Every time you use the internet, you're visiting one of these libraries. Why can't Google keep everything on one computer? Imagine Google used just one computer. Now imagine 5 billion people search Google every day. That single computer would become overloaded within seconds. It would become slow, then freeze, then crash. One computer simply cannot handle billions of users. That's why companies use thousands of servers working together. Instead of one brain, imagine thousands of brains solving problems simultaneously. What is a server? You've probably heard the word server many times, but what exactly is it? A server is simply a computer? The difference is what it does. Your laptop serves one person, you. A server serves thousands or even millions of people at the same time. For example, when you watch a YouTube video, a server sends that video to your phone. When you log into Gmail, another server checks your password. When you search Google, thousands of servers work together to find the best results in milliseconds. So a server is just a powerful computer designed to serve data to other computers. What is inside a data center? Walk inside a data center and you won't see office desks. You'll see long rows of black cabinets. These cabinets are called server racks. Each rack contains dozens of servers. Each server contains powerful CPUs, large amounts of RAM, high-speed SSD storage, and multiple network cards. Thousands of these servers are connected together using ultra-fast network switches and fiber optic cables. Together, they behave like one giant computer. Why are data centers always cold? Thousands of computers generate an enormous amount of heat. Without cooling, they would overheat within minutes. That's why data centers use powerful cooling systems. Some use chilled air, others use liquid cooling. Some companies even build data centers near cold regions or underwater to reduce cooling costs. Keeping servers cool is just as important as powering them. What happens if the electricity goes out? Imagine Google suddenly loses power. The internet would stop working. That's why data centers have multiple backup systems. If the main power fails, UPS batteries provide electricity immediately. Then, giant diesel generators start within seconds. Many data centers even receive electricity from multiple power grids. Everything is designed so the servers never stop running. Why are there so many data centers around the world? Imagine every Google search had to travel to America. People in India would experience noticeable delays. Instead, Google builds data centers across different countries. This keeps the servers closer to users. The closer the data center, the faster the website loads. This delay is called latency. Lower latency means a faster internet experience. How does Google find my nearest data center? When you search Google, your request doesn't automatically go to the company's headquarters. Instead, Google's network checks your location and routes your request to one of the nearest available data centers. If one data center is busy, another one takes over. Most users never even notice. Can one data center store the entire internet? No, the internet is far too large. Different companies own different data centers. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix have their own. Together, millions of servers across thousands of data centers make up the modern internet.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to The Curious Tech. Every week, we simplify complex technology into easy-to-understand explanations that make you see the digital world in a whole new way. Thank you for watching.